Hello, my name is Judith Elaine Halek. Once a month, I present an in-person workshop at the Red Door community called Pieces of Me, Collage Through Cancer. Whether you've been diagnosed or you're on the other side of your diagnosis and treatments, or you're caregiving to a loved one, or you're grieving the loss of a loved one, come join us where through a simple prompt, a word here, an image there, holds what you've been carrying. If you think you can't write or collage, don't worry. Come, laugh, cry, make a mess. Let your pieces return to peace. And through community and support, scissors, paper, pen, and your strength, you'll leave with much more than a collage journal. You'll leave carrying a piece of yourself whole and alive again. I'm Judith Elaine Halek, and I look forward to seeing you at the Red Door community for Pieces of Me, Collage Through Cancer.